Welcome back, guys. It's time for another walkthrough. I'm just going to briefly take you through the exterior on this one. Not going to go through all of the details with it. Just go through some changes that they've made on it to kind of make it their own. And that's mainly back here in the outside cooking area. So they've got the pull-out camp chef. And then they've added this extra compartment door on this side. And it has a pull out. Let's see if I can get it out. And it's got these tabs that fold out. Makes for a nice little serving area, little counter space. And then this will fold up as well. And there's a drawer here to keep all of their cooking goods. And then they had us also add a spray port on the side here by their water heater so that they could have water available there. Seems like they're gonna do a lot of cooking outside, so it should be cool. This one will have the awning above it too, keep them nice and shaded. And then it's got the lights above for all your lighting to keep your cooking area well lit and clean. So that's the main thing on the exterior. This one does have the deck. With the storage on the front, so it does have the ATV ramps and stuff that are tucked up underneath, heated tanks, some of those things that you've seen in previous videos. So we'll go ahead and go in and show you the layout. All right, guys, so here we are. I'm just gonna go through what's in this one first as far as their colors and everything. So this was a X36, so the X meaning our widest model. This is a 102-inch exterior, so full width on this one. And then 36 foot from bumper to tongue. This one I believe is just a little over 24 as far as the box size, and then they've got the deck on it as well. The colors on this one, your cabinet colors are a river cherry. And then we have a spring carnival countertops, country oak flooring. And then the wall color is a phantom. So kind of a light cream color. That's kind of bad lighting there to be able to see it, but that should give you an idea anyways. So anyways, let's get up here at the front and I'll kind of give you the walkthrough. So this one, nothing really different as far as our traditional layout here. You still got your drawers, your split front door. In their closet though, they had us add shelves as well as a closet rod so that they can store stuff. These are adjustable shelves to where they can move them up and down. And then if they are going somewhere where they're taking a lot of clothes or whatever, they can remove them and use their closet rod for hanging. So kind of nice, gives them some options as far as what they use there. As always, all of our soft close hardware, keeps everything nice, tidy, closed up. And then hardwood doors. This is a knotty alder, like I say, in a river cherry. And they've got their stainless steel fridge freezer combo. They did opt out of the microwave. This one is wired for it, but did doors up there for their storage. So if they decided they wanted to put a microwave down the road or whatever, not that big of a deal. And then more storage. Lots of counter space in this one, nice. Range, all of your monitoring systems, heated tanks. As I showed you on the exterior, it does have the heated tanks, propane gas light, overhead storage, and these ones are on gas struts, and they've got the soft close hinges as well, so all of our cabinets have that in them. Wood burning stove. And then one thing too, this one does have a king size bed up top, and it also has a king size bed in the trundle. So 2 kings in this one, so lots of sleeping space. And then you've got your big bench with your cushions, storage underneath. This does have the soup boxes, so those flip up. There's storage underneath there. And then they did the blinds with the, let me turn this light off. They've got the engravings, little cattle scene on this one. Elk and deer on this side. Another deer scene on this one, and I can't remember. Oh, we got ducks on the back. So kind of cool with some little engravings to kind of customize it. I do like the shades. It seems like they give it kind of a nice custom touch. Keeps it a little darker in here, but are also very convenient as far as putting up. They're all on accordion strings, so slide right up. But I think they're a nice touch to the camp. So, but yeah, they've got those shades, and then this does have the big pull-out table, so they should be able to see where they went with that king-size bed. Their table is huge, so they can sit a lot of people around that table. Makes really nice for playing games or eating dinner or whatever that way. So, and then it's stowed away when you don't need it. And then I'm not going to pull that trundle bed out just because I've done it in videos past. So if you haven't seen the way that that trundle bed works, be sure to check out our other videos. I have showed where I pulled that out. But you've got your forced air furnace, your fantastic fan, all your hookups for all your entertainment stuff, your TV, all of that stuff are up there. And then onto your kitchen area, your banks of drawers. This one has the big, deep stainless steel sink. Very nice for keeping dishes clean, keeping things out of the way. Gives you a lot of room, whereas most of your travel trailers and stuff are very limited that way. And then it does have the pull-out pantries, both top and bottom. More storage above. And then another little thing that's a little bit different in this one that we don't do a lot of is composting toilets. So this one is set up, it's all plumbed with holding tanks and everything, but for the time being it sounded like they're putting this stationary on some property, but they don't have their septic tank in, so they wanted to do the composting toilet for the time being. Once they get their septic system, we'll go ahead and put a fixed toilet in it, porcelain toilet. But this is kind of a little neat composting toilet. This is the Nature's Head. It's got your removable urine tank, your composting. This one is electric, so it's got a fan that circulates through. Kind of nice, I guess, if you're into that. We do have our exhaust fan, medicine cabinet. You'll notice this one doesn't have the vanity in it. They opted out of doing the vanity. And then they did the 32 by 32 shower pan. So bigger shower with our stainless steel glass door. But overall, I think it turned out super nice. This is the first that I've done in the river cherry, and I think it turned out really nice. I mean, we've done quite a few other camps that are cherry, and it seems like there's a lot more red in them. This one doesn't have near the red in it, but I think it turned out really nice with these color combinations. So anyways, I'd love to hear what you guys think about this camp and maybe what you'd change on yours. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you can get an update when we post videos. It'll help you a lot because I've got to be the most inconsistent person as far as putting videos up. So yeah, if you're expecting one weekly or whatever, chances are it's probably not going to happen. So if you turn that notification bell on, at least you'll be notified when I do upload one. So anyways, as always, we appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. We appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.